Hey guys, this is Scott. I'm roughing in this house in Medina County, Ohio. I happen to look out back and there is an ancient tractor mired in the friggin' woods back there, and it's just like an empty plot of land. We're gonna make our way over there, kind of see what it says, any nameplates or anything. Alright, so we're coming up on it, and geez, it looks like it's been there forever. I don't know, maybe there's a lot of large stones around. Maybe he was trying to pull some of these stones out of these woods and got stuck and just left it there, I guess. I don't know, it's weird. Just sitting here rotting, man. I'd love to get a couple of my Jeeps and yank this thing out of here and try and restore it. Looks like they took the whole top of the engine off of it, which is a damn shame. Now it's full of water and debris. I don't see a nameplate or anything on it. That's weird. Anyway, well, it's in neutral. And for all you tractor aficionados out there, that's what it says on it. I don't know if that's International Harvester or what. Anybody knows, comment and let me know. Just a pretty cool find. I mean, you know, if I was the owner of the house we're roughing in over there, I'd absolutely be trying to get this out of here and do something with it. I mean, it might be past restoring, but I don't know, man. It'd be cool to at least give it a shot. I don't know how hard parts are to find for it, but anyway, cool find in the woods next to my job site. Y'all have a good day.